Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to convert media on MOTOROLA Edge Plus. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and search up image converter. Now download this app. Now we can open the app, close it. Now choose the desired format. For me it's going to be PDF. Allow. Now tap here to select the image. Okay, let's add this one, tap on done. Now we can also compress it if you would like to, but I'm not going to do that. Then you can just tap on done. You can create how this file is going to be named later, and then you can just tap on save. And yeah, that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.